guess I got it wrong today, it's not my holiday. I steal the show from them no matter what them people say. I got it from the man but I forgot to pay. I feel like he would care about it anyway. I'm home alone, I'll do just what I wanna do. I hear someone knock my door but now I'm in the mood. But my parents said that they would be returning soon. I think I hear some noises from my living room.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? That guy step on it, step on it. That guy step on it, step on it.
I'm okay, it's good. I promise you I haven't got a thing to spare. You should go after my friend as well, this isn't fair. Took half of everything because we like to share. Am I hearing things or is there someone there?
What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
That guy step on it, step on it.
The side step on it, step on it.
One, two. One, two.